Hello friends, and welcome to day 3 of the Wake Up Well series. So hope that you got on okay with day 1 and day 2, and so glad that you're back for day 3. Yay! So yes, today's session we're actually going to start sitting down. You're probably thinking, thank goodness. But we're going to start in a cross-legged position, so in easy pose. You can come to the back of your mat. Just come to that cross-legged position. Have a little shift about just so that you can settle down on your seat. And then just come to some stillness for a moment. We're going to take a deep breath in as we lengthen through the spine. Exhale, we're going to roll those shoulders down your back and just rest the hands on your knees or in your lap, whatever feels best for you. We're just going to take a few rounds of deep breaths here. So nice deep breath in through your nose. Nice long exhale out through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Long exhale out through your mouth. One more time. Inhale through your nose. Long exhale out. And then just allowing the breath, you start to feel once you stop those deep breaths, your breath starts to snap back to its natural pace. So just give yourself a couple of breaths at your own rhythm here. And then we're going to inhale, reach the arms up like we did in our upward salute. We're going to bring the palms together, maybe take a look up at our hands as long as our neck is okay with this. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, we're going to float the hands down, allow the fingertips to just land on the mat. Inhale, we're going to reach up back to that salute. Exhale, allow the hands to float back down. Inhale, reach up. And then exhale, float the hands down, nice and gentle. Inhale, reach up. And then exhale, bring your hands down to heart center. Take a nice deep breath in here. Let it go. Lovely. Inhale as you reach the arms up into that upward salute. And then exhale, we're going to twist over to the right side. Left hand is going to come to that right knee. Right hand behind your back. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, see if you can go a little deeper by looking over your shoulder or more towards the back. Inhale as we come to center, we're reaching the arms up. Exhale, we're taking it to the other side. So right hand comes to left knee. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist a little deeper. And then inhale, reach up. Exhale to twist. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to twist. Let's do that one more time each side. Inhale up. Exhale to twist. Inhale up. And then exhale to twist over to the left. Lovely. Inhale, bring yourself back to center. Let's come to that upward salute. Palms together. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. So from here, make your way forward. You might want to lean forward with crossed legs, or you might want to swing your legs around to the side. Bring yourself into a tabletop position. Knees are underneath your hips. Wrists are underneath your shoulders. Into a cat-cow here. So inhale. We are dropping the belly, sending the chest forward. Maybe take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through your back. Tuck the tailbone, draw your chin towards your chest. Feel that spine stretch out and wake up. Inhale, drop your belly back to your cow. Exhale, round in the back. Inhale, drop the belly. And then exhale, round in the back. Lovely. Into tabletop. We're going to tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Just take a moment here to find that position. You can have a bend in the knee if you need it. Make sure that tailbone is sent up towards the sky here. Take a full breath in. Nice long breath out. And then when you're ready, you're going to take as many steps as you need all the way to the front of the mat. We're going to exhale down into a forward fold. Knees can be bent here as well if you need. Then we're going to inhale to a halfway lift. That nice flat back again. Draw those shoulder blades down your back. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Let's inhale up to standing. Take your time here, then circle the arms up overhead, up to that upward salute. Take your gaze up if you can. And then exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Lovely. From here, we're going to take a little soft bend in the knees. You can have a little bounce so you can feel those little soft knees. We're going to pop our weight onto that left foot. So all the way onto the left foot. And then when you're ready, take a breath in. As you exhale, you're going to step that right foot back. We're going to turn the toes out. Bend into that front knee. Reach the arms out. We're into our warrior two here. Let's just take a moment to find that alignment. Draw navel to spine. Make sure knees directly above your ankle. Bring that back foot in if you feel you need to. So if you need to adjust that stance, if it feels a little too wide, you feel a little overstretched, remember this is just a morning wake up, so no need to overstretch here. Nice and gentle. That's what we're looking for. Lovely. Fabulous. When you're ready, you're going to turn to face the front. We're going to pivot on those back toes. Reach the arms up into a crescent lunge. Take a breath. Exhale, bring your hands down to frame your foot. And then you're going to step this right foot forward to meet your left. Exhale into a forward fold. Inhale to a halfway lift. Exhale to a forward fold. Inhale, let's rise up to standing. Circle the arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Pop in that little bend in your knees again here, but this time putting your weight onto that right foot. When you're ready, take a breath. Exhale, step your left foot back this time, then turn the toes out. Bring the arms open into warrior two. Make sure that that front knee doesn't roll inward, so you can just take a little glance down at it. It should be in line with your first two toes, the big toe and the one next to it. Hold it here. Take a nice full breath in and out. Feel that strength within your warrior. When you're ready, take a breath. Exhale, you're going to turn to face the front. Pivot on those back toes. Reach the arms up, crescent lunge. Exhale, we're going to bring the hands down to frame the foot. We're going to step this left foot forward to meet the right. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. And then inhale, let's rise up to standing. Circle the arms up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Lovely. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold it forward. Pop a bend in the knee if you haven't got one already. Place the hands down on the mat and then step it back, downward facing dog. Take a breath. On the exhale, lower your knees to the floor into that tabletop position, making sure the wrists are under the shoulders here. And then take a breath, and then as you exhale, walk the hands out in front, lowering your chest down to the floor. You can either bring the forehead or the chin down to the mat, whatever feels best for you. into your puppy pose here. So getting a really lovely stretch underneath your arms and armpits, getting a stretch through the front of your torso. You gently feel gravity pulling the belly down towards the floor. Taking a few steady, even breaths here. Lovely. One more full breath in and out. And then when you're ready, inhale nice and deeply, using your hands to push you back into that tabletop position. You're going to bring your big toes to touch. We're going to come to sit back on the heels here. Just taking a moment. On your heels, you might just want to roll your shoulders out a little bit here. It might feel quite nice. And then we're just going to make our way back to our cross-legged position, that easy pose. Lovely. Just rest your hands on your lap here. Inhale, let's lengthen through the spine. Let's take a nice long exhale out through the mouth. And just take a couple more breaths like this, just allowing that exhale to just be a release of any tension that you might be holding. Maybe you slept a little funny and now you've worked out a few little kinks. It's just that final little release. Lovely. Just pay attention to how your body feels as you sit here. Lovely. Let's inhale, reach the arms up overhead into that upward salute. Exhale, let's bring the hands down, floating them down to the mat. Then inhale, reaching up. Exhale, float them down to the mat. And then one more time, inhale, reaching up. Palms together, then on the exhale, bring your hands down to heart center prayer pose. Lovely. That brings us to the close of day 3 of our Wake Up Well series. So thank you so much for joining me. Hope that you got on okay with it. Have a great day and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.